Why Bangalore? Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of our country, stands out for its thriving IT industry and countless number of multinational companies.
I am Abdurrahman, Managing Director of BSoft Bangalore. BSoft is a leading IT training institute established in 2000. At BSoft Education, we have successfully placed over 10,000 students in various IT companies. BSoft provides 24/7 lab facilities with physical devices, allowing our students to gain hands-on experience and practice at any time. After the successful completion of the course, BSoft supports our students with resume preparation, study materials, mock interviews, and real-time classes. BSoft has tie-ups with many IT companies for placements, providing our students with excellent opportunities to kickstart their careers. Average salary for our candidates ranges between $30,000 to $80,000 per month.
Switching to Bangalore will shift the pace of your career, offering endless opportunities to build a strong professional network while enhancing the essential skills like communication and collaboration in a global environment. Bangalore is a city where your dreams become reality and your efforts become achievements. So choose BSoft for our legacy and choose BSoft for your future.